So here's my last question. It's hard to stop. I wanted to hear a little bit about your projects. What is your favorite? What is your baby? The one that gives you more satisfaction, the most difficult one?
So I have two projects, and I've been working on them for a long time. And one I've been working on for about 22 years, another one about 16 years. So it's been a long time. That's right, my boys. Look, I don't have a favorite. It's like every day is a new day, and that's what it is. It's like, I love what I do. I enjoy it, and that's what it is.